Hello everybody, welcome to Python sample program video series. In this video, I'm going to show you the simple program, that is program to check whether the given number is positive or negative. When you say the number is positive, if the number is greater than or equal to 0, then you can say that number is positive. If the number is less than 0, you can say that number is negative. This is very simple program. So I have shared my screen. Then I'll open my Python idle editor. So here I'll go to file, I'll take the new file. So here I'll type the program. There is a function called input, which is used to get the value from the user. Okay. So I'll take this, I'll put one, I'll print one message here, enter the number. Asking this is asking the user to enter the number. Whatever number user enters, that I'll convert it into integer. Okay, because you have to check that that integer is positive or negative. Then I'll store that number in a variable called n1. Now I will pass that n1 to if condition. So here I'll check n1 greater than or equal to 0. If my n1 value is greater than or equal to 0, then you have to give the semicolon here. Okay, so this is the syntax in Python. So then you have to give the indentation. That means the if begins. If you give the indentation, that means the loop begins or the function begins. Okay, if you decrease the indentation, that means the function or loop ends. So I have given indentation. Now I'll print here. I'll use a print function to print the value from the data. I'll use the given number is number is 2. Okay. Else, the one more condition I'm using here. Else, I will take this, copy and I'll paste it. The given number is negative. The given number is a negative. I'll say this. I'll use p positive dot py. Py is the extension for the Python program. I'll save it. I'll run it. Now it'll ask me enter the number. I will say I'll enter 10. What is output I'm getting? The given number is a positive. If I enter minus 10, we will see what output we will get. We suppose we should get the given number is a negative. I have entered minus, the given number is a negative. Okay, so what if you want to print the number along with the number? The given number 10 is positive, the given number is minus 10 is negative, like that. The given number, I will close this. This is a message I want. Either you can use the concatenation operator, that is plus operator. Okay, you can do that, or you can use the comma. You can say where is our number? The number is there in the n1. Okay, then I'll use the comma. This is the message I want. I'll put it that in the double quotes. Okay, here also I'll do the same thing. I'll use n1, comma, I'll close this in the double quotes. I will run this. Now it asking me enter the number. Say I'll say enter the minus 9, I'll enter. So here we are getting the given number minus 9 is a negative. So like that, you can use comma or you can use the concatenation operator. Hope you understood the program. Thank you.